MC Lively in the building. Him not be ordinary MC. Him na MC with a very lively. Although he failed in law and decided to run away for daily bread in the area of acting and content creating. If I lie, talk him.
Who tell you that one? I didn't fail. I'm a very good student.
All right.
I just leave it as per se. I like something else more.
So, MC Lively, first of all, good news. From your side of the industry, the content creating and acting industry. Then talk say Facebook monetization. It done day for Nigeria. I expect the clap for inside of the studio. This now welcome developments. But I go like those where they really in the work now. Made them see. I better talk how they see this kind of development.
Better thing. In fact, you get
like you be one try that Facebook. Like money no really do. You be being broke. As they drop the update like this, you happy die.
So many people don't they try to make money for Facebook for a very long time now. People say they don't sabi us to get access. There are very few people, not so many. Now they make that money since. But now we say they don't legalize and we say everybody if you make it is very, very encouraging for young people, especially people where they look for waiting to do.
Okay, so as I drop good news, make it like I get too much bad energy. I first do good one first, if I drop bad news. But I not go call them entirely bad news. But that's something where people in your colleagues and yourself go find a little bit not convenient. NFVCB, National Film and Video Censors Board. They say if they burn you well, MC Lively, try them. Make you open or distribute or do skits without their approval. How you see this kind of updates?
No be me then if you talk.
No be UK. The last I checked, let me go to your page again. Let me add the payment.
No be me then if you talk.
Actor, hosts, content creator, everything is on your bio.
No be me then if you talk. Say make I send them approval for what?
Okay, at least you're bigger than they don't reach.
Whether they are waiting, I don't even know what NSTDP are. NSPDP.
They can arrest you. I can
arrest who? That's what happened.
Because I've seen some of your content. I don't think they approve any of this.
Approve what? It's not me they're talking to.
It's not you.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do they mean by we should come?
Let me read it to you. Maybe you don't know. I think you studied law.
I did study law.
And you are the first person to break the law. Okay.
I break it. If that is what they call the law, I do break it.
Okay, he said
that is law that is
before I go on that break now, make I just mention the statement for real.
I dare with you.
It is prohibited. They're not buying you to distribute, showcase any film, video content, including skits, music video on any platform without seeking approval from the National Film and Video Censors Board. That is part of the statement. I don't want to show myself.
My response to that, NS couldn't go whine you, but no panic.
That is come out for.
Don't fall.
Our fans in the studio, say my for.
Don't fall.
Okay.
Don't break.
They don't break. All right. But say when you go prison, now only you go run them.
But say they talk and say if you do this, you
are a law. You be a law abiding.
Your law no be like that. No be like that.
All right.
Say now for Nigeria now we they make what is the pronouncement where no be law.
I go pause you for them. More bad break and they come back. Don't come out your ear.
Exciting show.
On the dial. I go by the name Papito, aka Papi Spending. We get live fans in the beauty. And of course, our celebrity guest, MC Lively. MC to a lively gun. All right, Lakers, don't forget the code *347 *880 *2#. *347 *880 *2#. All right. 50,000 naira 2 times on the show this morning from One Play. And the fans also can testify to this one. It's a new deal from oneplay.ng. Yes, they want to do more for the people in their own little way. Our celebrity guests, every time on Wednesdays now, they get to pick from 250,000 naira. Go reach 1 million. Please, a round of applause for our sponsor. One Play, please. It's not easy. And any of the prize money where our celebrity guests get to pick from 250,000 naira, go to 1 million naira. Oh, that money goes to the orphanage, the NGOs. Please, a round of applause for One Play, please. MC Lively, when you been range your own, how much you win?
He paid me. Actually, I think it was rigged. Somebody rigged that thing because that's not what I want to pick. Actually, in my mind is 1 million. That's what I want to pick in my mind. But it turned out that I picked 250K.
People, that's why I say, oh my shit.
Oh, do me.
All right. So it gets one thing where I would like ask you basically. Many people know you a little bit. Say you get a little hand inside law, but they go wonder. You leave law for comedy and you take such a serious work for jokes. Law for comedy. You take such a serious work for jokes. Why?
What happened? We say before I always take life very, very serious.
Okay.
Like,
you know what I heard about?
Now why I bowed very young.
Please, everyone apply for those who get bad heads, please. It's not easy. It's not easy
So
for us to get bad heads.
everywhere I go now, they always look out for who bowed with me. We know they plenty. Why they take life serious before? Maybe now why I study law. But I can't reach one point where I can't realize, say, waiting really did this life. Vanity upon vanity, all is vanity. I can't say, let's be stupid.
Oh, wow. So, specifically live law and just turn to stupidity.
Stupid.
What a life.
Yeah. Although I have some people that I look up to that were already first stupid before I become my own stupid.
Okay, so you just join the stupidity queue.
Yeah. Somebody is already in the forefront.
They say follow Noro, but this one follow stupid people.
Yeah.
It's such back.
Yeah.
Nothing is
All the people that are wise, they are still doing Shajambe in Ikeja under bridge.
I understand what you're saying. For a person who get such a lively lifestyle, you must have a lively lady, keeping him alive.
I don't have lively lady.
All right, so you go look into all the celebrities, female celebrities in particular, and you go pick one today. Are you ready to give him a matchmaking? 70 years old man, where never married. At least I know that. Okay,
are you
never
gonna
reach.
bring them?
You never reach. You never reached 35, Seth.
No,
You never old.
I'm not old.
You never really old like that. You know,
even though I'm old, but I'm not old.
You know, small boy. You never even reach. That one. I know your age now. Not be me do follow them. Do not mean for you too.
Clap for him once more. Guys,
we know the age.
Yes.
Set I want any vive. I
agree.
But
Although the age that I write on my goals and objective for getting married, it have passed.
Oh really?
Yes.
Aye.
Also the age for
somebody say, "Oh my shoe." But look at the female celebrities. But don't box yourself. You can go into music. You can go into your content creating world industry. You know.
You know, see how I'm blushing as you talk that female celebrity stuff. Actually, there's somebody I've crush on since 2013.
Somebody say,
Since I crush on her. I remember that film that I watched. I think it's Stella. That is the name of that film. Jemima Osunde. Since that film I watched 2014 or 2013, I said that I'm gonna marry this baby. If not in this life, but in my next life. So that's probably my big celebrity crush.
A round of applause for him. So imagine now that she's hearing you now.
Yeah.
She's listening to you now. This is not international radio.
Okay.
Everything what this recorded, you can see the cameras.
I should toast that.
Shoot your shot.
Hey, baby.
Oh.
How you doing, baby? No, I got some jokes for you, baby.
Oh, damn it, Coco.
The money I've not reached that I want to use and toast you, because that's what I've been saving since.
Oh.
So like, boy, I don't have mind to come and meet you, because you are too fine. Somebody cannot be using Naira to come and be toasting you. That's why I want to use pounds. You understand? It's pound sterling. That I want to give you pound sterling because you deserve it now. I want to be balling you so that I'll not be singing, hello, baby. I fly you to Dubai, baby. Fly you to Paris, baby.
A round of applause for MC Lively in the building. No, we go broadcast. No, we go broadcast them. We go post them on top all our socials.
Yeah.
We go collab, and then of course, if she will tag her, if she give you a chance, MC Lively. The brands where you the influence for, they do them because it work, or because they pay you to talk about them or to influence them. Let's be real.
That's your question. He gets. You
never experienced.
How your question gets.
It's
key. It's very key.
It's okay, baby.
It's very key. Yeah, but I mean,
it's very key. So you be open to it.
It get different reasons why we they follow brands work. But then Of course, most of the brands where they work with, now because we believe in waiting and they sell. You understand?
They use the product.
Say me and they use the product.
Before you advertise or influence for them.
You know, say no be every advert be products use. Some of the adverts, maybe like if you they do
service.
Not just service. No be all of the products now in person for use. Do you understand? Now if for instance now we they do betting company, no be everybody where they advertise for betting company, now they do the betting. Or say if we they advertise for, but there are many others that we use and that works. I mean, there are very, very various situations. For instance, when I used to work with this energy drink, there's one energy drink that I really love.
No, give the advert to.
I no talk their name now. Till now, I see that drink at the buy. They drink them. So there are many other situations like that. So we say the people where we do adverts for, we they use their products. Yeah.
All right. So now, I would like make you just look around the music space. You are a creative. You know, guy, music no good. They help you. They feel all right.
Yes.
Get inspiration left, right, and center. So I go throw you the popular question: who, according to you, now the king of Afrobeats? Inside, Wizkid, Burna, or David?
Two-Face.
Now,
I know they like that question.
You see why he didn't really go into law again? Then they ask him, see the options why have been dropped. You see what he go pick.
You give me three or you give me.
Hey, you have to pick from the options now.
No.
Why you go pick what's another option?
You tell me say who be my own goat. Now my own goat be that.
Among of the three, what I call. No,
Olamide Bado.
Shout out to Olamide though.
Now I beg to mention my goats first before I pick one from your option.
Oh yeah.
My
do it your
goats now. Two-Face, Olamide Bado.
Is it really your goat? Because his name has changed to Two Baba. You see, you're not even updated.
Baba, now when we the year I'm from, what did they talk about? You know when we done the year Two-Face from?
Sorry, I do bojo, sorry.
Yeah, but from between the one where you mentioned, Burna, Wizkid, and Davido, who be the king of Afrobeats?
According by you. Quoted on this very day, number 10 of July, Wednesday, on the Papi
at the
Showdown
moment,
show, MC Lively said, and I quote,
at the moment,
the king of Afrobeats is at the
Burna
moment. Burna Boy. Shout out to Burna Boy. Make some noise for Burna Boy. Say the show where you been doing influence this one.
From before.
Okay, from before.
Wizkid.
Wizkid have seen the building make some noise. Okay.
But I think the person that I like the most of all three is Davido.
Why David? All through.
I think it's more than music for me and David. I don't know. There's something about Davido. There's something about him. He feels very down to earth. There's something about Davido. He feels very, very down to earth.
Don't press some money. Am I saying your mind?
Maybe as they talk, I go press him. So
if
anything can happen.
If he just press him.
Chook pound. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.